Welcome to Jamaica. Your journey begins the moment you step off the plane. But why settle for ordinary transportation when you can experience luxury, comfort, and VIP service with Orum Transfers? With our meet and greet service, your personal chauffeur is ready and waiting, no lines, no hassle, just a seamless transition from the airport to your destination. Step into pure luxury, where every ride feels like first-class travel. Plush leather seats cradle you in comfort, while climate control sets the perfect atmosphere. Stay connected with high-speed Wi-Fi, recharge with multiple charging ports, and enjoy refreshing beverages as we handle the journey. Relax, unwind, and travel in style. Whether you're heading to a resort, business meeting, or private villa, we ensure you arrive refreshed, relaxed, and on time. Why deal with crowded shuttles or unpredictable taxis? With Orum Transfers, you get private first-class transportation designed for your comfort and convenience. From airport pickups and corporate transfers to private island tours, our professional chauffeurs are here to provide a flawless, stress-free travel experience. Because at Orum Transfers, we don't just get you there, we elevate your journey. Ready to experience the best in Jamaican transportation? Book your luxury transfer today at orum-transfers.com and let us handle the details.